Okay, Daddy. Mcjuggernuggets, if you're watching, this is for you. My dad's birthday. How old? He thinks he's 39, but he's actually 38. I mean 48.
We thought he was 49.
Yeah, there we go. And he watches your channel. He's been watching your channel for like over a year now. I got him into watching you. And we watch you every night. So now he's opening a gift I got him from you guys for his birthday. Ooh, there's a note. First open the note.
I don't know, it's a receipt.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh, well. Oh, look at that. You got it written from them. They wrote. You better save that. Because I want you to. I guess that'll replace your one mug you bought that broke.
Yeah. Awesome.
I like that. That's awesome.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Dad.
I will use it tomorrow morning for sure.
Yeah.
Psycho Dad.
Yeah, you can be psycho.
Not psycho.
Yay.
Thank you.
Happy
Appreciate
birthday.
it. Thank you.
You're welcome.